Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode on the channel, brought to you by yours truly. Today we have a iPad 9th generation unboxing. This comes with the latest A13 Bionic chip, which is not latest, it's 2 years old. Upgraded front-facing camera that's now 12 megapixels with center stage, and also a True Tone display, and also double the storage as the previous 8th gen, so it's 64 gigabytes on the base model. I think it goes all the way up to 256 if you want to get that as well. So without further ado, let's unbox this thing, and yeah, let me show you what comes in the box. Sadly, I already did unbox it, but everything is in the exact same place, so you can see what it looks like. Here is the device itself. As you can see, it's pretty nice design overall, but is pretty similar to last year's. As you can see, it has the smart connector on the bottom, which can be used with the keyboard, and it also works with the Apple Pencil Gen 1. Put that to the side. Let's see what else we get in the box. Okay, so just like a quick start manual, and also the 2 Apple stickers that are pretty big. Okay, next we have a Lightning to USB-C cable for the charger and data transfer part of the device, and also a 20-watt fast charger. You'll need this because since this is a bigger battery device, obviously you're going to need a faster charger to actually get it up to 100%. But basically, yeah, that's what comes in the box, ladies and gentlemen. It's pretty standard unboxing experience. Nothing too insane about this, but yeah, still comes with Touch ID. Same design as the 8th gen, and Touch ID still works fine, but the center stage feature is honestly great, and the screen quality on here is pretty solid as well. It's LCD, not OLED or anything. It doesn't have ProMotion. It's still 60 hertz. Still pretty big bezels, but overall, I think if you're a student, if you're a college student, it works with the Apple Pencil and keyboard. You can turn this into like a personalized laptop / note-taking device / productivity device, whatever you realistically want to make it. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. And yeah, go check out my podcast at Unwrapping Success. You can find it in the link in the description. We have a YouTube channel where we show clips and stuff, and also an audio version. So I'll see you guys in the next video. From Scott Tyler, thank you so much for supporting me and my journey to 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell so YouTube actually notifies you when I upload a video. Upload every Wednesday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so stay up to date and look forward to that. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone.